Hello and welcome to another update video about Enjin Coin, one crypto I'm extremely bullish on, and we've been talking about it since it was down here. So yeah, the breakout happened finally, and we really pushed in the last few days, especially fueled by the pushes of these metaverse, gaming, NFT, play to earn cryptocurrencies, and Enjin Coin as one of them, or as basically the Bitcoin of the, how did someone say, the Bitcoin of the play to earn niche. Yeah, it's doing really well. I think this crypto has a bright future, and it is still quite a bit away from the all-time high. We're currently at $3.08, so $3.08, quite far away from the $4.03 all-time high, which was a bit of a blow off top in April. So yeah, it actually peaked all the way up there during that day, and then retraced back to 330, 340 during the day. So that's where it closed on the daily. And yeah, I mean, now we actually already hit my target level at 350. So we did that a few days ago. I mentioned it in the video. Then we retraced all the way back to that trend line. And I did say when we retraced to that trend line, it would be a good buying opportunity, as I always say. But again, it's never financial advice, but as long as we are above an ascending trend line and we have a pullback to that trend line, these pullbacks are often really good buying opportunities. I've said it so many times, and it has worked out again. So nice potential profit here if anyone took the chance down here. Now we are back at the $3 level, roughly, just above the 1.272 extension level at $2.99, pretty much $3. Next target from here, in my view, will be again the 350 level. At the 1.618 we already were there. From there we can then climb to the next level at $4, which is the 200%, which is pretty much the all-time high. And then the next level after that would be 470.87. Now these are the main retracement levels, the main target levels when we climb up the extension levels. They are not like you climb one up and then you go straight away. Normally it's a bumpy ride, but it gives you a good indication where you can expect the next extensions, the next target levels, the next resistances in an all-time high territory. Now overall, let's take a look quickly at the indicators just to give us an idea. To be honest, we are really high on the indicator here, very not very overbought, but quite overbought now, a little bit overbought on the daily. We already were at the 86 level. Now that is when we had quite a sharp retracement. You can actually see that Enjin Coin is quite a bit of a volatile cryptocurrency. I mean, here on that day we moved all the way up from around 240 to 330, and then actually on the next day to 350 before we retraced all the way down to 250. And now we're back. We were actually back at 340 again. So yeah, it's a bit crazy, to be honest. Very volatile. And now we're overbought again. So there might be a bit of a retracement, maybe another pullback to that trend line. But in my view, especially with regards to what's coming in the gaming industry, the play to earn niche, and also with regards to the altcoin season, I think there is a lot of room to the upside. We have been now for a very long time actually mainly in the above 50 range. So on the 4-hour chart here, very bullish. There was only a short period in the middle of October where we were in the bearish range on the 4-hour RSI. You don't often see that. If I take a look at many other cryptos, they're normally on the 4-hour, they're bouncing between oversold and overbought all the time. But here Enjin Coin was mainly above the 50 line all the time. So what I could imagine here on the 4-hour, what happens next, because it happened so many times in the past, we maybe go up a little bit more, maybe reach that 350 level again, then we drop down to the 50 line here on the RSI, as we did so many times before we then can go up again. So that's how we move up, how Enjin Coin moves up. And yeah, on the 1 hour there's even more scope to the upside a little bit. So yeah, we could really have another go at the 350 before we have to then reduce that RSI down again. So yeah, still bullish. I don't think it's too late to get in, personally, not for me. I'm really bullish on this cryptocurrency, but bear in mind it's highly volatile. It goes up and down as well, but generally also fundamentally Enjin Coin has so much to offer in my view, and it is a really interesting one for the alt season and also for 2020 and beyond in my view. All right, so hopefully you liked that video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.